Hey everyone, this is Nishu from 12th D, present here as the code detector and the tester of our AI project named Human Disease Detector. So our team named Dreamweavers has 4 members, Nishu, Yashika, Yashi and Tarushi. And under the keen guidance of Mr. Vikas Koshik sir, we have successfully designed our project. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Yashi Tyagi from 12th D. My role is to collect the data and analyzing which type of data is needed to train the AI model. We have collected data from many resources like Chrome, Google, Brave, etc. and AI tools.
Hi, I
Thank
am
you.
Tarushi from class 12th D. In this project, I work as a data representative. As a data representative, in this project, my role is to communicate our findings and also the functionality of our tools. Thank you.
Hey, this is Yashika Singhal from 12th D, and I have prepared my project based on AI with my team members, and I am the final examiner of my project where I evaluate my project and provide the feedbacks on my team member works. I ensure to maximize the accuracy level in my project.
Now we discuss the some point of the need for early disease detector. The first is improve treatment outcome. Second, reduce treatment cost, and third, enhance patient quality of the life. And now we discuss how human disease detector work. Firstly, the biomarker analyzing, and second, image technologies. Third, artificial intelligence. Biomarker analyzing, the detector analyzing biological samples like urea and blood pressures. Like second, image technologies used to detect like MRI and the CT scans, and AI artificial intelligence AI algorithm process a vast amount of data, and they may detect disease indicated.
Here are the technologies which are used behind the detector. The first one is the biomarker detection. In this, the detector use high specific sensors to identify the biomarker associated with some disease. Another one is the advanced imaging. In this, we analyze a vast amount of data, and this is used for MRI and the PET scans. The third one is the machine learning algorithm. It is used for the detailed analysis and used for disease prediction. We are having the problems, we have also have the solution. There are some key features and the capabilities that can use to identify our disease. The first one is the early detection, means the detector can detect the problem before at early stages. And the another one is the personalized insights. Now we are going to talk about the advantages of our project. So in this era of technology, if we talk about the accuracy, then these type of projects improve sensitivity. And second one is earlier detection, as if the diseases are cured or detected early, then their intervention can be taken very early at the early stage. Third one is reduced cost. Your transportation cost is reduced, and multiple test costs, like you don't have to go to hospital every time to check. You just have to take your mobile phone and then test from which disease you are suffering from. So this helps you to reduce cost. The fourth but not the least is the improved outcomes, as this improves the social as well as the health status of our country. Now let's talk about the applications in healthcare. First is cancer screening. As we know, cancer and tumors are the diseases which are very harmful. So if they are detected early, then they can be cured very easily and many lives can be saved. So first one is cancer screening, and second one is cardiovascular disease prevention. Disease prevention, these are the diseases which must be treated very early so that we can have a good treatment. Third one is chronic disease management. Chronic diseases can be transmitted from one person to another very easily. So as we have seen in the era of pandemic, how much there was a very big setback of our economy of the country. So if these type of diseases are detected early, then economy can be saved and many lives can be saved. Our social status or the status of our country can be improved.
We are going to talk about the challenges and limitation. When the human disease detector holds immense promises, so there are challenges and limitations that require careful consideration. The first is cost and accessibility. The advanced technology employed in the detector may make it expensive to implement, potentially limiting accessibility to access populations. Second is data privacy concern. Collecting and analyzing vast amount of personal health data, and is concerned about data security and privacy. The third is regulatory approval. The detector will need to undergo rigorous testings and regulatory approval. Ethical consideration. The potential use of detector raise ethical questions such as implementation of disease prediction and potential misuses of data. Future prospect and innovation. The field of disease detector is constantly evolving and implementing day by day. Integrating with wearable technology, artificial intelligence advancement, nanotechnology applications. Nanotechnology can be used to develop highly sensitive sensors for the early disease detection. The fourth is personalized medicine. The human disease detector can play a crucial role in personalized medicine. Thank you.
That was our project, which was greatly explained by my team members. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.